Assalamu alaikum grade 2. I am your English teacher from Allied School. Today I am going to start my first lecture. Open your book at page number 2, unit 1, family and the friends. In this lesson you will learn about the family and descriptive adjectives. Unit 1, lesson 1, listen to your teacher and match the number to the names. Here are the numbers and here are the names of the characters. For example, at number first is Fiza. Fiza is skipping a rope. Number 3 is Ali. Ali is kicking a ball. At number 2 is Sarah. Sarah is reading a book. At number 4 is Tom. Tom is riding a cycle. Number 6, Fiza's father. He is driving a car. Tom's sister is at number 7. And at number 5 is Fiza's mother. In exercise C, use the words in the boxes to describe Fiza's family. This is Fiza's family. You have to use these words to describe the family. Uncle Umar is tall and thin. Look here, he is Uncle Umar. He is tall and thin. Auntie Farida is short and quite fat. She is Auntie Farida. She is short and fat. Grandma is tall and thin. She is grandma. She is tall and thin. Grandpa is very old and thin. He is grandpa. Grandpa is old and thin. He has grey hair and moustache. Who is having grey hair and moustache? Grandpa. She has short curly hair and book. Who is having short curly hair and a book? Auntie Farida. She has short hair and glasses. He has short hair and glasses. Who is having glasses? Uncle Umar. She has long white hair and a stick. Who is having long hair, white hair and stick? Grandma. Students, now open your book at page number 3, unit 1, lesson 2, words and phonics. Here are the phonics words. You have to use these words in exercise B. First of all, we read the phonics words. Car, cart, part, farm, star and R. La la, ha ha, ma, ba, grandpa and grandma. Mother, father, sister, brother, teacher and flower. Now in exercise B, use the words to complete these sentences. Grandpa has an old. C is written. You have to write here AR, car. Grandpa is having a car. It goes pa, pa. Sometimes grandpa, write here pa, and grandma drive to their farm. There are lots of sheep on the farm. The sheep say ba ba. At night they sleep under the stars. You have to solve this exercise on your books. Look at the family tree and complete the sentences with these words. This is a family tree. Grandma and grandpa, they have 2 children, daddy and Uncle Umar. Mummy, Auntie Farida. Daddy is having 3 children. Sarah 9 years old, Ali 7 years old and Fiza 6 years old, while Auntie Farida is having 9 children. These are the words: mother, father, uncle, auntie, grandpa, grandma, brother, sister, husband and wife. Example is Ali is Fiza's brother. Sarah is Fiza's sister. Sarah and Fiza are sisters. Mummy is Fiza's mother. Daddy is Fiza's father. Umar is Fiza's uncle. Farida is Fiza's aunt. Grandma is daddy's mother. Grandpa is daddy's father. Mummy is daddy's wife. And daddy is mummy's husband. Grade 2, now open your book at page number 7. Unit 1, noun. Today we will read about the nouns. First of all, I am going to tell you the definition of the nouns. Nouns tell us the names of persons, places and things. Nouns tells us the name of person, places and things. For example, boy, cap, dog and fish. Now look at the pictures and write the correct noun for each picture. Choose words from the list given alongside. This is the list given here. These are the pictures. You have to write the names of the pictures. This one is a bag. You have to write here BAG, bag. This is a book, so you have to write here BOOK, book. This is a knife, KNIFE, knife. And this is a baby. You have to write here BABY, baby. Look at the picture. Can you identify nouns and write their names? This is a sun. Sun is a noun. Write here sun. Tree. Tree is a noun. Girls. Girls are a noun. Ducks that are swimming in the water. Mat. Mummy. Birds. Boy. He is a boy. Book. Boy is reading a book. Baby and dog. Write the names of 10 nouns that you see in your school. You have to write the names of 10 nouns. For example, table, chair, teacher, students, book, board marker, duster, and etc. Read the sets of the words given in the list below. In each set, one word is not a noun. Write the word in your notebook. Rose. Rose is a noun as it is the name of the flower. Lily is also a noun. It is the name of flower. One is not a noun. Pansy and daisy are both are the names of flowers, so you have to circle the one. Monkey is a noun as it is the name of animal. Donkey is also animal. Lion animal, and zebra is also animal. Dance is a verb. You have to circle the dance. Africa. Africa is the name of a country. Sleep. Sleep is a verb as it's an action. France is the name of a country. India is the name of a country, and China is also the name of a country. You have to circle the sleep. Banana, orange, grapes, and pineapple are the names of the fruits. Eat is a verb, so you have to circle the eat. Now read this passage, find the nouns and write them in your notebook. As I was walking to the school, I saw a girl. Girl is a noun, playing with her dog. Dog is a noun. The dog was trying to catch the ball. Ball is a noun. The ball rolled under the bush. The dog went under the bush to catch the ball.